Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel English and Beyond. I'm CJ Roy and today's class we are going to learn about a new tense which is present perfect continuous tense. Let's learn today how to frame sentences, statements, both affirmative and negative, in the present perfect continuous tense. So without wasting much time, let's get started with today's our topic. Present perfect affirmative statements here. So we have already learned present perfect. I have done, you have done, I have written, you have written, we have written, they have written, but then he, she, it has written. And similarly, we need to use the same have and has in the present perfect continuous tense. So first person singular I, after I, we need to use the auxiliary verb have. And then we need to use another auxiliary verb, that is been. Do you remember been that I explained earlier? We said we have auxiliary verb be. Be has got three forms in the present, is, am, are. And in the past, be has got two forms, was, were. And in the past participle, V3 form, we have been. Right? Been. So that been, V3 form of the auxiliary verb be, we have to bring in here. So present perfect continuous tense starts with the subject, then have, and then been, and then this is continuous. And you remember what we did with all the continuous present, past, and future continuous tense? The main verb we changed into ing format. So similarly, since this is a continuous tense, we need to use ing here as well. Once again, just look at the title of our tense. Present, perfect, continuous tense. So present perfect, we use have, has. Okay. And then continuous, we use main verb ing. So how this will read, our example verb, that is write. I have been writing a letter since 6 o'clock this morning. I have been writing a letter since 6 o'clock this morning. Did you understand something, the meaning? Okay, before we understand when we use, why we use, let's see the format here. Subject plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing. V1 with ing here. All right. The second person, same. You have been writing a letter since 6 o'clock this morning. You have been writing a letter. Have plus been subject. S plus have plus been plus V1 ing. Then third person singulars. In the present perfect, we learned he, she, it has written a letter. So here, has. We have to use the same thing here. He, she, it has been writing. He has been writing a letter. She has been writing a letter. It has been writing a letter. Goes like this. And the next one, first person plural, that is we. We have been writing a letter, or we have been writing letter or reports this morning. It is a report there now. And in the third person plural, we have they have been writing a letter or reports since 6 o'clock this morning. So, dear learners, what did you understand here? How do we construct a sentence in the present perfect tense? First, remember our subject, any subject that you use. And then you have to use have. But if it is singulars, third person singulars, he, she, it, my father, the teacher, the boy, the girl, the dog, then we need to use has, that we already know. We learned it when we learned present perfect. Exactly, that is what we follow here as well. After that, we need to add the present perfect continuous, and in all perfect continuous, be it past or future, which we will learn soon in the next videos. So you need to understand, we need to use been. After have or has, we need to use been. And then the main verb will always be the continuous form, that is ing format. That is what we need to understand here. I'm sure you understood this. Now let's go and see how to frame negative statements in this particular tense. And you shouldn't have any problem when it comes to making negative because we have a set pattern now and we follow the exact pattern here. So I have not been writing a letter since 6 o'clock this morning. Now remember, my dear learners, here, one thing, we have auxiliary verbs here. What are the auxiliary verbs that we have used here? Have plus been, right? Have plus been. There are two auxiliary verbs. So to put the negative in the correct place, we need to take into account the first auxiliary, which is have here. So immediately after have, we use this word not. And the rest of things, they follow as they come. Okay, so I have not been writing a letter. That is the negative question. Or else have plus not. I haven't been writing a letter since 6 o'clock this morning. I haven't been. You have not been doing a job these days. You haven't been. And a third person singulars, he, she, it has not been. He has not been. He hasn't been writing a letter. She has not been. She hasn't been writing a letter. It has not been writing a letter. It hasn't been writing a letter. Has plus not is hasn't. Have plus not is, we know, haven't. Haven't. So this is how it goes. And simple next one that we use is first person plural, which is we. So we have not been writing a letter, or else we haven't been writing a letter. Simple enough. And finally, they. They have not been writing a letter since 6 o'clock this morning. So they haven't been writing a letter. You understood. Now you know the structure, the format, what comes where. This we are clear about this one. And be clear. If you have to watch this video again, please watch again. Try to understand how some present perfect continuous tense is used. Right? Well, that's it for today. I hope this session was very useful for you. And if you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English and Beyond. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss your next English lesson. Until we meet again in the next video, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing with English and Beyond. Thank you for watching. Take care.